Now let us understand how to solve Unit 4 sums. So basically what I have is, give the parametric equations of circle. The circle is represented by x square plus y square is equal to 25. Now when I study the equation x square plus y square is equal to 25, I get x square plus y square is equal to r. Okay, now I compare this equation with x square plus y square is equal to 25. Now when I compare these two equations, what do you get? You get that r square is equal to 25. Now obviously if r square is 25, what is r? R is under root of 25, which is equal to plus minus 5. Correct? So now we know the value of r. Let us write the parametric equations of the circle. So the parametric equations of circle are x is equal to r cos t and y is equal to r sin t. Now we know the value of r. It is this. So x is equal to plus minus 5 cos t and y is equal to plus minus 5 sin t. Now it is okay if you write the plus minus, and it is also okay if you skip the plus minus. So that's it. This is your answer. Now similarly we can solve for other things. So let's say that now in front of me I have, write the parametric equations of hyperbola, which is represented by this. So how do I solve it? I compare it with standard equation of hyperbola. Standard equation of hyperbola. What is the standard equation of hyperbola? X square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now when I compare this and I compare this, minus y square upon 25. This is given to us in the question, right? Don't you think this is going to match? So a square is going to be 9 and b square is going to be 25. So what is a? 3 and b is going to be 5. Correct? You can also write an additional step wherein you are saying ki b is under root of 25. You go like this or you go like this. Both ways are allowed. Okay, same way for a, you can write it as under root of 9. Either ऐसे step follow करो या ऐसे लिखो directly. Okay, either way it is allowed. Now this is done. What are the parametric equations? What are the parametric equations of hyperbola? You should know these equations by heart, correct? It is sec t and y is equal to b tan t. Okay, so x is equal to a sec t and y is equal to b tan t. Now we know this. Now replace the value of a and b. Replace values of a and b over here. So what do I get? X is equal to 3 sec t and y is equal to 5 tan t. That's it. Your sum ends. Now same way you can do it for uh, parabola. Now what is the standard equation of parabola? I'm solving this in short. Okay, you already have how to write the steps. So standard equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Now I compare this with what? The equation that is given to us. Yes. Now don't you think 4a is 12? Because x is common ना. x को अगर बाजू में रखा तो 12 के साथ क्या रहता है? 4a. Correct? Okay. So better way to write this is 4a is equal to 12. So a is equal to what? 12 upon 4, which is equal to what? 3. Correct. Now parametric equations of parabola are given as x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. Now we know the value of a. So replace the value of a. X is equal to 3t square and y is equal to 2 into 3t. What is 2 into 3? 6. So y is equal to 60, x is equal to 3t square. That's it. These are your answers. Simple. Now one last sum where we have an ellipse. So ellipse का standard equation क्या है? Ellipse का standard equation is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now if I compare this with x square upon 4 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1, what do I get? I get that a square is 4. So a is equal to root 4. So a is equal to 2. B square is what? 16. So b is going to be what? Under root of 16. So b is what? 4. Correct. Now, what are the parametric equations of ellipse? Parametric equations of ellipse are x is equal to a cos t and y is equal to b sin t. So what is x? A is 2. So 2 cos t. Y is what? B sin t. B is 4. So 4 sin t. That's it, is your answer. Now I have shown you how to solve the sums in short, but when you solve it for your exams, you will follow the procedure that has already been given to you in the notes. Thank you.